Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing and using for the first time the new Kat Von D 24-hour Super Brow Longwear Pomade in the shade Scarlet. And as you can tell, my brows are super bright red and I really love it. The formula is amazing. Like, I've never had a pomade with this formula. It's so different and I love it. Of course, it's vegan and cruelty free, so that makes it even better. And if you're a fellow redhead that have been using liquid lipsticks, mixing eyeshadows to create a red brow, there's no longer need for that because this will be your new favorite product. I absolutely love it. I've been a redhead for about 4 years now and I've never had red brows like this. I usually always wear the Anastasia Dip Brow in Auburn, but I've always wanted to have red brows to match my hair, and I've never wanted to use liquid lipsticks or, you know, take the time to mix eyeshadows. No. Now that Kat Von D came out with these brows, it's just amazing. This is such a good idea. She also has yellows, greens, like other amazing colors, and I love it so much. I'm glad she came out with this. It's so amazing. So far as you can tell, I'm really in love with this product and I'll definitely be using it more. I do want to get other shades so I can mix this and create the exact color of my hair because it is a little brighter than my hair, but I'm not mad at it. So yeah, if you're interested to see how I apply this, keep on watching. But for the dip brow, I'm going to use something similar to what Kat Von D came out with, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills No. 7 brush. This is a brush I use for my Anastasia pomade. So I'm going to try it out with this. And I'm just going to grab a little bit because I don't know how bright and pigmented this is going to be. So I'm going to start doing little brush strokes. Oh, this is really bright. So I'm going to use a light hand. Right off the bat, I really like this formula because it's so thin of a consistency that it's really easy to create little brow hairs. So I like that a lot. So there goes one brow. Let me try the next one. As you can tell, my brows are really bright red, but I'm not mad at it at all. I think it's super cool. Like I said before, I noticed that the formula, it's such a thin consistency that it helps you create those brush strokes, and you have time to play with a product, but it does dry pretty fast, and I can tell it's not going anywhere. I'm really happy for this product. What I do want to do is buy another one, like a warm tone one, so I can mix it and create an exact shade to my hair color, because it is a little brighter than my hair, but I mean, they're super cool. I really love this product. I can't wait to get my hands on the other colors. I want to know if this number 27 brush could also be used with a pomade, even though it's named for a powder brush, but let's see. I mean, it does create kind of, you know, brush strokes. I want to play around with this brush with powder and this pomade, and I'll see how that goes, but I really like the look of this brush. It's also really unique, and I'm glad I got my hands on it. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys found this useful. This is so perfect. The formula is amazing, and I'm sure everyone who gets their hands on this will love it. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.